everyone. It's Justin Epstein, author of the top-selling book Super You and minister of the Unity Center of New York City. I hope you're having a wonderful day today, and love for you to join me in this guided meditation as we get still and quiet together and go inside, touching base with our higher self, our higher nature. So let's just take a moment now. If we haven't found a place to meditate yet, just find a comfortable sitting position, whether it's in a chair, on a couch, wherever it might be. And let's just take a nice, long, deep breath. And just let your body relax. And let's send the message now to every muscle to relax and to let go. Becoming aware of the feet and the calves and the thighs, and just sending the message, relax and let go. Allow your abdomen and stomach to relax. Let your hands be open, relaxed. Relaxing the muscles in your chest, your shoulders, your back. Becoming aware of your face, relaxing your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes, your forehead, and your scalp. And now scanning your body and looking to see if there's any place that needs to relax more deeply. And you might want to just gently tense and release that part of your body. Good. And now we're going to move our awareness more inward now. Just become aware now of the flow of your breathing. Just observe the breath as it flows in and out of your nasal passages, just like as if you were observing waves rolling in the ocean to the shore, and then being drawn back out into sea. Just observe your breathing. And now as your breath flows in, mentally think the words, I am. And as your breath flows out, the word spirit. I am on the inhalation, spirit on the exhalation. Now let's take a nice long deep breath. Exhaling, letting go of watching the breathing, letting go of the affirmation. And just be aware of what you might be feeling in your heart right now. Just turn your attention within and just notice whatever might be there. And we include in this consciousness of peace, well-being, and all good. We include friends and family, all those whose names have been submitted to Unity for prayer. We include every person on the planet. May the entire world, may all people, may all creatures and creation be filled with peace, joy, love, and light. And so it is. Amen. And we bring our awareness now back to the body. Wiggling toes, wiggling fingers, opening our eyes, and moving back into our day, letting Spirit guide us, direct us, flow through us, looking for Spirit, expecting God's activity in every area of our life. So thank you for joining me for this guided meditation. We have a guided meditation every Wednesday at 3 o'clock and a mindful moment every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 o'clock. So I look forward to seeing you another time, and have a wonderful rest of the day. See you next time.